What is happening, boys? We are back with another video, and look how crazy this thing looks on the coilovers, bro. In this POV, I'll be talking about how the coilovers feel, and that's also why I haven't made a video in so long. But like I said, it's going to be my honest opinion about these coilovers. So since I installed them, to be honest, I've been hearing a noise. I don't know if it's normal because it's my first time installing coilovers, so it's probably just road noise and it's maybe nothing serious. What the fuck is that? Who is this truck guy again, bro? Oh, nah, it's a different one. There's this one guy passing by like 5 times. Oh, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, it's a compliment though. Other from the sound I'm talking about, the car feels really sick, by the way. It feels super planted. I haven't driven it that much. This is actually going to be like my first time sending it because I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna just send it tonight and see what happens. I know nothing is gonna fall apart, hopefully at least. But yeah, let me just walk around while I'm talking about it because this thing looks crazy from all angles. In the front though, I had to raise it up in the front a little bit. As y'all can see, the back is a lot lower than the front, and that's because with X drives you can't go too low in the front or you will snap your axle. And I was actually thinking maybe the axle was making the noise, and maybe it is. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments if you guys know more about these than me. And by the way, I did put my front mount intake on again, so I have the mic set up right there. You guys will be hearing that, and yeah, you guys will hear everything though once I drive it. Look at this shot right here though. That looks so crazy with the stars too. If y'all listen right now, I'm pretty sure y'all can hear that, bro, but I have no idea what it is, and I don't think it can be the axles because right now the ride height is pretty much where it was when it was on springs, for the front at least, and that's where the noise is coming from. But I don't know, y'all probably gonna think I'm crazy. I've driven it like this for like 5 times or so, and it's been alright. Like, nothing should fall apart. Maybe that's normal, maybe that's just how it should sound. So hey, let me put my seatbelt on at least. But yeah, I don't know if that's a normal sound or what. Maybe that's just how coils are, or just these ones, of course. I know, like, damn, and there it goes on a bump. But I know like KWs, you have like the street, or I don't even know what they call it, I don't remember what. Yeah, I know KWs, you have like some hella comfortable ones, but those are like 4 or 5 grand. That intake though, I put a way bigger filter on there, and that thing sounds good, man. Damn, I should have went, bro. Oh, I can't. Let's go, man. But yeah, as y'all see, I ain't playing with them still, bro. But just let me know if that's something y'all face with coilovers. I still have to get an alignment though. It's pretty straight, to be honest. It still feels like on point. You have like camber plates, adjustments, stuff like that. So I still have to get that checked out, but I don't think that should be causing that sound I'm talking about. Maybe the sound is nothing to and I'm just tripping, but enough of me yapping away. I'ma just, damn, let me make that. Yeah, I'ma just let y'all enjoy the video and listen to everything. I hope you guys saw that free EDC delete as well for nothing, and my EDC is still plugged in and everything. Completely free. But look at gas prices, bro. I'm so glad I don't have to fill up right now. This is cheap though, compared to where I know a lot of you guys are probably from. See everyone out clubbing, bro, but nah, I ain't in the vibe for none of that right now, bro. I just want to drive and got a chill night. Some bumps, but it feels pretty good. I think once you're used to springs, to be honest, you won't be too surprised by coilovers. The ride quality, it's not much different. I think if anything, the coils feels a little bit better than springs. I have to say that. I thought it was gonna be like hella rough, like when I hit bumps it was gonna feel like the whole car's braking, but hitting bumps, it feels just like springs, if not better. And yeah, the car ride's pretty smooth. I cannot complain. As I said, it's just that sound, and also might just have to adjust my preload, but I don't know if it's that, bro. I can just try it out though. So I'm gonna test out a bunch of different things, try to make sure I get this all dialed in. I know I said it 1,000 times, but this is my first time running coils, so I honestly don't know anything about them, but I know I'll get it all right in a little bit. The car is driving though, that's the main part, so everything seems to be alright, at least. It's been a minute too, bro. I haven't been driving much. I cannot wait for the season to come in though, and the car shows, the meets, everything like that. That turbo so bad as well. My radar going off on my boy's radar. Shout out JJ. Yeah, this can be a cop right here, who knows. They be driving every and anything though. They'll surprise you, bro. I've seen like, I think this exact van pull over someone before. Maybe not this one, but same type of vehicle. But yeah, my boy JJ sold his 335, and he's like, bro, you can just hold on to the radar for now. I have no use for it. So I'm like, I bet. So we got a radar temporarily. Would I ever buy one? I don't know. They're like 1,000, bro.